Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Cash App using instant transfer options, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on the balance section located at the bottom of the screen. Select Cash Out to initiate the withdrawal process. You will see two options for transferring your funds, standard and instant. Choose instant for a quicker transfer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Tap Cash Out once you've confirmed the amount. You may be prompted to verify your identity with Touch ID or a password. Review the details of your transfer carefully. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The funds will be sent directly to your linked bank account. Keep in mind that instant transfers may incur a fee. Wait for the notification confirming your transfer status. Check your bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or try restarting the app. Follow up with Cash App support for any unresolved problems. Make sure your bank account is properly linked for seamless transfers. Your withdrawal process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.